10 diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith diwrnod 10. Day 10 Navigation. Heddiw, dach chi'n mynd I dref Caernarfon. Today you'll be visiting Caernarfon town centre, its castle and town walls. You will be revising the whole course, and some of the work is in a similar format to the exam questions you might be sitting soon. Gyrrwch I Gaernarfon, LL55 1SR. The best place to park for the day is the Balaclava Road car park. If you approach Caernarfon from the east, turn right at the second roundabout. Amserlen. The day is much freer in its structure, and you can plan the order of the activities to suit your interests. Myrddin. The final Mabinogi story is about Merlin. Muriau'r Dref. There is a task about the town walls. Y Dref. There is a scavenger hunt around the town centre. Harbwr. There is a task about the industrial history of Caernarfon. Amser Cinio. There are a number of cafes around the town, in many of which you'll be able to order in Welsh. Y Castell. There are 4 tasks to complete in the castle. You may have to pay for entry if you're not a member of Cadw. Siarl, Tywysog Cymru. There is a task to complete about reaction to the investiture of the most recent Prince of Wales in Caernarfon Castle. Myrddin Post. There is the final postcard to write about your trip to Caernarfon. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you have learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history. Cwrs sylfaen. Remember, when you continue onto the sylfaen course, there are more activities for you to complete based on the same sites that help you further improve your Welsh.